Hey guys, it's All Natural G, aka Nadina G, and we're back with another video. As you can tell by the title, this video is going to be about how to attract more money. Now, I learned this while I was planning to save for my trip to California, moving out there for about 5 months, and so I wanted to give those tips to you guys. So you need a pen and paper first off to write down these 3 things. The first one, how much money you would like to receive within the next 7 days. So you want to be very specific with the amount of money. So I will write down, I will receive $850 this week. The second step is to write down a gift. Now, a lot of us don't really know, so I think it's best to just say, I will receive a gift this week. And then the last step is to write down, I will get something for free. Now, I usually get about 3 or 4 things for free, so I'm going to be more specific and say, I will receive 3 or 4 things this week. Once you have written all these things down, you need to rank how much you believe it out of 1 to 10. If you guys don't believe it, it won't happen. This is all based on the law of attraction. So if you're at a 1, most likely you're not going to attract more money. So I usually say, if you don't believe it, bring it down to like $1. I will receive $1 this week. Or an offer. Someone will offer me a free drink this week. But you want to be at an 8 or a 10. When you're at an 8 or a 10, you're bringing more high frequencies and a higher level of thinking and positivity. And because of that, you'll attract that money. Now the last step is you want to spend 2 to 3 minutes focusing on how you'll feel when you receive it. When I know I'm receiving something like a gift, I know I'm going to be overjoyed. When I get paid, I know I'm going to be relieved. And when I'm receiving something for free, I know I'm going to be super excited. So you want to spend 2 to 3 minutes each day for the next 7 days thinking about how you will feel and how you react to receiving this abundance. And that's all you have to do to receive or attract more money. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If it works for you, come back in 7 days and tell me about what you received. All of this is about the law of attraction. So once again, if you don't believe it, it won't happen. Thank you for watching.